Okay, let's look at the homework 2.4, number 10. All right, so you have this function g of x, which is the product of quantity x plus 3 and the rational function x minus 4 all over x plus 1. All right, so let's try to simplify before we take the derivative. I'm going to multiply quantity x plus 3 and the quantity x minus 4 to just multiply out the numerator. So the original function g of x is equal to, all right, so it's going to be x squared and a minus x minus 12, right, all over x plus 1. All right, then we can apply quotient rule. So if you take the derivative of that, we will get, all right, so we're going to have square the denominator, so quantity x plus 1 squared. Take the derivative of the top, so that's going to be 2x minus 1 times the denominator, which is x plus 1, and minus the numerator, so it's just x squared minus x minus 12 multiplied by the derivative of the denominator, which is just 1. Right, derivative of x plus 1 is 1. All right, and you can multiply out and simplify, but in this case, what we are doing is try to find the slope from this derivative, and I would rather just plug in x equals 0 right here. So I'm going to try to find, so we're trying to find a slope. So point is already given. So as usual, we're trying to find two pieces of information, and point x1 comma y1 is given, so 0 comma negative 12. All right, second piece of information we would like to get is the slope. But the slope can be found by taking a derivative. Oops, sorry, that's function is a g, so it's a g prime of 0. So if I plug in 0, what you get is, right, if you put 0 there, 0 minus 1, so it's negative 1, times 0 plus 1, so it's 1, minus 0 minus 0 minus 12 is negative 12, and times 1, all over 0 plus 1 squared is actually 1. Right? So what you get is, let's see, negative 1 plus 12, so it's positive 11. Right? So the equation is going to be y minus y1. y1 is negative 12, so it's going to be plus 12 is equal to 11, the slope, times quantity x minus x1. x1 is right here. It's actually 0. Right? So you can see that there's no point of writing 0. So then you can just subtract 12 from both sides. So you get y is equal to 11 times x is 11x, and you're subtracting 12, so subtracting 12. Right, so therefore we got the right answer right here. So 11x minus 12. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.